What's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are gonna unbox and play around with the new Glamlite Foodie Box. So you guys wanna see what I got in here, what type of look I create, and to stay tuned to a special surprise, well, definitely keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so before I dive into today's video, I actually want to talk about two new products I'll be trying out in this video. So, well, I've already tried out one. I tried out this new brow microfilling pen from Benefit Cosmetics. They did send this to me in PR and I did my brows with them today, and I have got to say, this little thingamajig is just so freaking cool. It has 3 little swipes. You just take it and you just go foop, foop, foop. Right on there. It is so easy to do your brows with this. I thoroughly enjoy this product and I will be setting it with the Gimme Brow later on. So thank you so much, Benefit Cosmetics, for sending this my way. I really appreciate it. I also want to talk about this brand called Kinder Lashes. Now they reached out to me, I want to say almost 2 months ago, and I've just been so lackadaisical. That is the right word, right? on trying out these lashes. But what this is a monthly subscription service. Now you don't have to sign up for it every single month, but it is $20 and they personalize, actually personalize a customized lash box for you, and they send it straight to your door. So you do like a lash quiz. You say how big your eyes are, what type of style that you're into, are they like more natural or big and bold or soft and glam, and they literally curate the perfect lashes to not only try to fit your perfect eye shape, but to cater to what it is you're looking for. So it's in this really cool box. And it has 4 of these lashes right here. I got Meditate, Me Time, Nails Did, and Chill. And then they also threw in 2 extras right here. They're vegan silk lashes right here as well for me to try. So I will be wearing these in today's video. But like I said, this does retail for $20. I'll link them down below. I don't have an affiliate code or discount code with them, but they do curate a really cool custom-made lash box for you. So you can actually have the perfect lashes that fits your style needs. So thank you so much, Kinder Lashes, for sending this my way. I'm so sorry I have been so lazy on getting this reviewed or trying it out, but we're gonna try it out today. All right, now to get into the Foodie Box, what we're all here for. So Glamlite launched this last week. Last week they launched this product and it is already here. What I love about Glamlite Cosmetics is that any single time I order a product, I shit you not, the same day it gets shipped. I'm like, why can't other brands be like you? Because there are some other big brands out there like JSC, for example, that you order something and it takes 10 to 12 days to even process your order. Then it finally gets shipped off. Very, very annoying. Especially if you think that because they're such a big company, they can do a lot faster. But this is an indie brand and they get their shit out ASAP. And I just really, really love Glamlite Cosmetics. So I saw this and it's a whole mystery box, but it's not a mystery box because she that's every single item that's going to be in here today, and it's only $39. I know that it is sold out. It did sell out, I think, within 20 minutes, and I'm so glad that I got my hands on it, and it's all taco themed. Oh my god, it's Taco Tuesday. Oh my god, I love Taco Tuesday. The only thing I don't like is I don't like margaritas because I hate tequila with a passion. So whenever we go to any sort of Taco Tuesday type of event, I'm always like, do you guys have Captain? Thank god they do. Also, I want to thank you guys so much for enjoying yesterday's video. There's one beautiful subscriber who loved my clip. Chocolate! That made me laugh so hard, and I was so excited when someone finally was like, oh my god, I love that chocolate bit. That was my favorite part of the video, and I was like, thank god somebody acknowledged it, because I love SpongeBob, if y'all cannot tell, and I love just throwing in some bits because she said I had a good sense of humor, and I like to think that I have a decent sense of humor. All right, so one of the first products that's in this box is these little taco lashes right here. I actually got a pair of these lashes when I did a mystery box of Glamlite back in November, so I think it's so cool she threw in an extra pair, or an extra pair is in here, but I'm gonna save this for the end. So pay attention. Sexy wink. Next, there is the margarita lashes. Oh my god, wow, these are actually really, really beautiful. So stunning. Really reminds me of the D-Star lashes in the style page. Absolutely beautiful. I do have a code with Glamlite Cosmetics. It is Allie D to save you guys 15% off your order. So you guys don't have to use it. It's just a way to save you some buck. It is an affiliate code, so I do make just a small portion of the sales. But again, you guys don't have to use it. I just want to throw that out there. Next, what I'm so excited is there is the Glamlite Street Taco Palette, which I actually own as well. So again, this will be saved to the end. Then there's this new product that is only meant for this box at all. It's the Concha. I hope I'm saying that right. Concha highlighter. I'm so excited. I know that this was like made for this box. So let's check this out. Here we are right here. Packaging does feel a little light. When you open it up, oh, that is a highlight. That is a highlight. I don't know if I'll use this as a highlight. Wow, that is stunning though. Let's look at it. Oh, you know what? Maybe I could pull that off. Maybe. I'm not entirely sure. I think it might be a little bit too pinky purple for me, but you know what? We're always down to play with stuff. But I know this was specifically designed for this box, and it's just released in this box only, so I think it's so cool. And then we have two little lippies, which I have not tried before. This is the Champorado and the Agua Fresca right here. These are two of the lips that we have. These are two lip products. I actually haven't tried. Oh my god, that is so pretty. I have not tried any of Glamlite's lip products yet, so this would be really exciting to give this a try. I think she did say that the lip products do vary, but here we have the two right here. Let me go ahead and swatch these on my hand. Oh wow, that has a really nice smell to that. It smells a little bit like chocolate. Chocolate! Chocolate! I can use that clip again. I'm so excited. I love that damn clip. Oh wow, but that is so pretty too. It smells a little good. That is nice. That's what on my lip right here. Ooh, has a nice little sparkle to that. That is exciting. So what we're going to do is we are going to do a look with the products that are in this box. Like I said, I already have the Street Taco Palette right here, and I did get an extra one right here. So I'm going to go ahead and add this into today's giveaway because surprise! I have a giveaway. I don't ever feel the need to have two of the same products. Like, I already have so much makeup. No one needs this much makeup. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a giveaway for today. So this product is gonna be featured in the giveaway, as are these taco lashes right here. And then I'll get into the details of that later on. But we're gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in, and we're just gonna get started. I actually did a review on the Street Taco Palette not too long ago. Okay, I'll go ahead and link it right up here for you guys. I thoroughly enjoyed it. I know that I tried to do something a little fun and mix green and purple together. That was not a look. That was not a look. But we're gonna try something a little differently today. I am wearing orange. I think I might do some little fessy orange stuff. Oh, I'm gonna go ahead and apologize right now if I butcher any of these names. I am so sorry. I am so sorry. I am always terrified that I'm going to just ruin it some more, because when I did the Day of the Dead palette from Milk Cosmetics, y'all, let me tell you, the way that I butchered these names, oh my god, it is so embarrassing. And we were watching Coco the other day on Disney Plus, and they were talking about the Day of the Dead, De los Des Muertos. Oh my god, I sound so white saying it. Oh my god, wow, I'm already getting this all over my face. How am I doing that? It is just rather embarrassing, my pronunciations and stuff. Like, I clearly suck at it. And I did take Spanish in high school, so you think that this bitch knows how to say it. Nope. And it's crazy because, like, whenever I was at my restaurant, and oh my god, I'm getting this glitter everywhere. Whenever I was at my restaurant and I had guests that couldn't speak English, I could understand a little bit of what they're trying to say. Like, I understood when they were trying to say they wanted like a cerveza. You know, when they want a beer. I could understand they want a beer if they were looking for like chicken or fish or some of that. I understood what they were looking for. But me trying to say it back, y'all, I sound so horrible. And it makes Corey laugh when I try to pronounce shit. Like, he just makes fun of me. And I'm like, stop, I'm so embarrassed. This is such a stunning color. Oh my god, I love it so much. Such a stunning color. I think I'm saying that right. Should I just do this look on both sides, or should I try to spice it up and do something on the other side? What do y'all think? You know what? On the other eye, we are going to have fun. We're just going to do a green look too, because I love green. So I get asked all the time, what are my favorite colors? And my answer is always orange mustard yellow, olive green, like burgundy, like purple. I love fall colors. They are literally the most prettiest colors ever, ever, ever. And that's why like I'm having like a fall wedding. Not this year though. I did push it back till next year, and it is what it is. You know, I care more about the safety of my family, my friends, more than anything else. I mean, Corey, we're just gonna get married next year. It's not a big deal. Been together for 12 years. It ain't gonna make a difference. Okay, so on this eye, I'm gonna go into this shade Lemon. We're just gonna do like a simple halo eye, nothing too spectacular. But I just really wanna play around with this green and guacamole. Guacamole. But I always get asked what my favorite colors are, so those are always my favorite colors. I love Glamlite products so much. This is blending out like a dream, and this is such a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful palette. Now she does have a bigger version, like a bigger like taco version. I don't know if I ever reviewed that for the channel. I'm not sure. I know I did the burger, the cake, the paint. I don't think I've ever done the pizza. Oh no, I did do the pizza in the mystery box one. I did. I literally own all the Glamlite's like palettes. I cannot help it. I think they're just so freaking amazing. It just blends like a dream. Okay, so then we're going to the shade Guacamole. Guacamole. We're gonna put that right into the center. I'm not even gonna bother cutting it. I'm just gonna start to place it right here. Ooh, so beautiful. And then we're gonna start to like take the lemon shade again, and we're gonna bring that together so it's not such a harsh line. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to throw on a pair of lashes. So it's really crazy to me because I know I have the Kinder Beauty lashes, but these margarita lashes though, they just look so freaking pretty, and I kind of just want to play with these ones as well. So I don't know what to do, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face, come back, and we're gonna do the highlighter together, and we're gonna figure out the lip situation. Oh my god, and we're gonna figure out the lip situation together. So I will be right back. Alrighty, so now that most of the face is done, I did go in for the under eye right here. I actually mixed the Ripolo Rojo, I think I'm saying that right, and the red onions. And then for this eye, I actually went in with this shade Carnitas for right under here. And then I did go in actually with the margarita lashes. It's in this shade, it's in the style Strawberry. I didn't use anything from the Kinder lashes today because as much as I want to play around with these lashes, I don't know, these margarita ones are just calling my name. Now that I'm actually wearing them, they're pretty for sure, but they're definitely not my favorite lashes. My favorite so far is still the D-Star lashes, like the Style Page. It's like my go-to lashes. But like I said, definitely check out Kinder lashes. I'll link them down below. Just check them out because I know that's $20 and you get 4 pair of lashes and they customize it for you. So I think that's actually really, really cool. Okay, so I didn't put on the rest of my face because I was waiting to do that together with you guys. So we're gonna go in with this highlight today. Hopefully this is a good looking highlight on me. Like it's really, really pretty. I just don't know how it's gonna look on me because it is like a very like, you know, purplish highlight. So I'm not entirely sure, but we're gonna go for it because that's what this channel is about. It's about review, and we're gonna review the product. Okay, so let me move my mirror. I'm gonna dip into here, and ooh, I actually am using my Jaclyn J03 brush right here. I love this brush. I love Jaclyn highlights. I'm sorry. Yeah, I know a lot of people are not the biggest fan of her. I'm sorry, but she can make some bomb ass highlights. I live for them. Where's my other brush? Buff that out just a little bit. Definitely very like purplish, not necessarily meant for my skin complexion, but it's still beautiful nonetheless. Okay, so let me take it a little bit as well. We're gonna put in the inner corner. Hopefully it's a really pretty inner corner highlight. Okay, so there it is as a inner corner highlight. It is a really beautiful highlighter. I just don't think that it's something that's necessarily meant for me. I just don't think it looks the best on like I said, my skin complexion. I feel like if you were a deeper skin complexion, oh my god, this will look divine on you. But I feel like for me, I just feel like I'm a little bit too pale for it to necessarily work. But that is okay. That is completely okay. It's still beautiful nonetheless. So, okay, so I did went ahead and I lined my lips with my Morphe Sweet Tea liner right here. So we're gonna take this shade. This is gonna be the Champerudo. I think I'm saying that wrong. But we're gonna go ahead and put that on the lip today. Something very soft and elegant. Ooh, It smells like chocolate!
Chocolate!
Okay, so this is the shade Champerudo, and I have to say, it's actually really beautiful. It is so freaking beautiful. It has like a brown undertone with gold reflex, and I just think that it's stunning. It'll look great for anybody that's looking for like a nude but sparkly lip. I think this is just so freaking stunning. I love this color. Oh my god. And not to mention, it smells like
chocolate.
And oh my god, it just feels so divine on the lips. It feels very hydrating. It does feel a little thick. It does. Has a little bit of a sticky texture, which I do not like any sort of sticky gloss whatsoever, but it does have a little bit of a sticky texture to it, but it still feels really, really nice. But I do feel like if my hair were to like hit it, it would get stuck to the lip and kind of drag it. So I don't like that stickiness factor. It doesn't really taste like anything, but it smells like chocolate, and I'm living for that. So overall, guys, what are my thoughts on the Foodie Box? I think the Foodie Box is so freaking cool. I really like the fact that she did this. I know that I think she did it one time before and I missed out on it, but I got the mystery box and I really, really, really enjoy the little Foodie Box that she put together. Not only did you get like a palette, you got 2 lashes, you got a highlighter, and you got 2 lipsticks for the price of $39, which I think is so freaking fantastic. I love the theme, and I really want to see her do this again for like a cake palette vibe or like the donut palette, and like really put in like some sweet stuff in there as well. I think it'd be so cool, and I cannot thank myself enough for buying this for myself. I'm actually really, really happy about it. So thank you so much, Glamlite, for making such a wonderful box. I love reviewing your stuff. I love your stuff so, 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 so much. So with that said, let me just get into the little tiny little giveaway down below. So like I said, I'm going to be giving away the Street Taco palette along with these taco lashes. I'm going to have the giveaway open for 1 week. So it's going to close next Tuesday, the 25th. And all you guys have to do to win this giveaway is just be subscribed to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. If you don't have Instagram, that is okay. It does not disqualify you. And then make sure you just leave a comment down below where I can reach you. And that is it. That's literally all you guys have to do. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys liked this little video today. If you guys did, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post every other day, just depending. Also, make sure you guys head on over to my other channel. It's R for Life. You guys can see my cool, wonderful adventures with Mason fiance Corey. And as always, guys, I want to thank you guys for all your love support. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye. I don't have any food-related products. No, I always do. Damn it, Allie. Get your shit together. Hey guys, what's up? I'm not ready. I tried out this new brow microfilling. Where's my box? My beautiful box. Alrighty guys, so before I dive, alright, so one of the first things she added in here was these little taco. She announced every single item that's going to be in, so I get awesome. Oh my god, Allie, can you talk? The fun to my opera is here inside my mind. Okay.